The new Enterprise Centre is a key part of the Council's economic growth strategy and our COVID-19 recovery plan. New and existing businesses will be able to get professional expert advice and support, and also routine administrative support from our dedicated on-site team. There will be high-speed internet and communication facilities which will enable companies to be agile and to respond to the new challenges that they face in the post-COVID-19 world. High-quality accommodation projects a really high-quality professional image, and the location is ideal, close to the town centre, next to the 24/7 secure multi-storey car park, and just a few minutes walk from Chesterfield train station. Enterprise Centre is already boosting the local economy. Woodheads were back on site quite quickly after restrictions were lifted, bringing workers to the town centre and also showing that Chesterfield is building back and creating jobs. Our existing centres at Dunstan and Tapton Park have been a great success in bringing about new innovative companies and creating new jobs. Therefore, we know we have a model that works. It's really exciting to see the steelwork being erected behind me. We hope to start letting to companies in the early spring next year. And you can see a walkthrough of the centre on the Council's website.
My name's Ashley Turner. I'm Chief Exec at Whittam Cox Architects. We're literally just down the road on Sheepbridge. We've got sort of 120 staff in total where we operate, as I say, from Sheepbridge, working nationally, but literally working on our doorstep here in Chesterfield Town Centre, which is fantastic. We have great working relationships with Chesterfield Borough Council, and we were engaged from a very early stage to work out the feasibility options, progress those, get the arrangements put together for assisting with the funding, making sure it's on budget, going through the iterative process that you get with the design of something like this, coming up with feasibility options on appearance, and then ultimately, once that's locked down, getting ourselves towards a planning application, going through the planning process, receiving planning permission, of course, and then from our point of view, employment transferring from Chesterfield Borough Council to Robert Woodhead Construction as we look to implement the project and get the thing physically built, of course. And for me personally, I love doing local projects, so do the rest of the team. A lot of our team live in Chesterfield or in the Sheffield City region, so to work and deliver projects that change the landscape of your own town or your own area is fantastic.
I'm Glenn Slater, and I'm Chief Visionary Officer and Business Development Director for Robert Woodhead Limited. We started this site with the main contractor, and we started works on the site back in March, which seems a long time ago since with everything we've been through, but the first part of the works we were able to do them because it was remediation works on site following the archaeological dig on site. So that involved us coming on site and removing some material and bringing new material on, raising the levels of the site, putting the foundation pads in and the strip foundations, and then as you can see now the steel's going up, and that's 50% complete or just a little over that now, so progress is going well. Got really robust COVID-19 procedures in place with additional hand sanitation, social distancing measures, wash stations, and those types of measures are in place. So obviously climate change, being an environmentally conscious business and an environmentally conscious authority is really important. This building's been designed to BREEAM Excellent, which is a internationally recognised standard to raise the bar in terms of energy performance and the environmental performance of the building. some idea of some of the features. I mean, we are working with a specialist consultant to help us with that process to just make sure this is as energy efficient as it can be. It'll be very, very highly insulated with a robust ventilation strategy as well, so the building will be comfortable, but really airtight and energy efficient. Also, we've considered outside of the building as well, so water runoff. There's an attenuation system underneath the building, so water will be gathered underneath and then slowly released, so there's not additional issues with water being run off the site. Now we've put this structure in place, and there's other features, but that delivering that standard of BREEAM Excellent will really help the council towards its carbon reduction plan and its goal to be net zero carbon by 2030. For construction on the site, as you can see, steel progressing well. We're expecting to be complete around May 2021, so businesses can hopefully start moving in after that, and that's a really positive sign for the future, which should build confidence in destination Chesterfield, and Chesterfield's a good place to do business, and a building like this, the Northern Gateway Enterprise Centre, is kind of a symbol of that, I think.